You can be blessed but not prosperous, meaning not prospering.
Kungenzeka ubusiseke kodwa ungabi nenqubekela phambili.
If it's not prospering, it can turn into a curse.
Makungena nqubekela phambili kungaguquka kube isiqalekiso.
It means you can be blessed to lose.
Okusho ukuthi ungabusisekela ukuba kulahleke.
But if it's prospering,
Kodwa makunenqubekela
it
phambili.
will survive every test of time.
Lizommela sonke isivivinyo sezikhathi.
No matter what you go through, your blessings will not be stolen.
Noma ngabe udlulaphi, busiso zakho ngeke zebiwe.
Because you are not only blessed, but you are prospering.
Ngoba ubusisekanga kuphela nje kodwa unenqubekela phambili.
There's a difference between riches and prosperity.
Kunomehluko phakathi kwengcebo nokunqubekela phambili.
So many are rich but not having prosperity.
Abaningi bacebile kodwa cha inqubekela phambili abanayo.
When we say prosperity, we talk of something that has survived everything.
Masisho inqubekela phambili into esesinde ezintweni eziningi.
When we say you are rich, you can be rich in a lot so much, but you are not prospering.
Ungaceba manje kodwa cha inqubekela phambili awunayo.
But if you are prospering,
Kodwa
it
mawuqhubekela
means you
phambili.
survived everything
Okusho ukuthi usinda kuyo yonke into.
and you didn't lose your wealth.
Zange futhi walahlekelwa ingcebo yakho. Hey.
Tested in every way and you never lost anything. You
Vivinyo ngayo yonke
prospered.
indlela zange alahlekelwa yokuphumelele waba nenqubekela phambili.
Finish. So that we close, we go to prayer line.
Verse 17. So the dragon was enraged with the woman, and he went off to wage war on the rest of her children's seed. Those who
What?
keep
Seed. Uzwile? It is in band. Seed. Imbewu.
Abembewu yalo wesifazane.
Ngani? Ngembewu. And God said the birth of a woman shall crush what? The head of a serpent. Now you get to be born.
Fohloza ikhanda lenyoka.
Ukuzala kwakho kufohloza ikhanda lenyoka. Ukuzala kwakho ku-attract ubumnyama. It attracts the sea. It attracts the earth.
Idonsa amalwandle nomhlaba.
So kujabula ini ubumnyama but nangu omunye ugogo uzelwe.
Hey. Jesus.
Now you are going to live a life that resurrects your ancestors, a life patterned to abogogo nabokhulu bakho.
Uzabe usuphila impilo efana nekagogo wakho.
Uzobathi lo wenza njengomkhulu. You are resurrecting the dead.
Usuvusa abafile.
And Jesus Christ is not the dead, is the living.
Cha uJesu
So
Kristu
live a life that brings the living, not the dead.
phila impilo eletha abaphilayo hayi
The
abafile.
dead don't go to work.
Abafile abayi.
The dead don't get married.
Abashadi futhi.
The dead do not have money.
Abafile abanamali.
The dead don't eat.
Abadli.
Only the living.
Kuphela nje kudla abaphilayo. Yeah.
So you live your life. No, you are attracting the dead.
Alempilo sukuyiphila usuheha abafile.
Hayi why impilo yami so no, i-character yakho ivusa abafile ayabaphilayo. Because ukopa in ipattern yabo yempilo uyenza njengabo, ubehave njengabo. Yonke into abayenzayo uyibo. And you think their failures won't come to you. It will come.
Nokwehluleka kwabo kuzoza phezulu kwakho.
You will be cursed exactly like them.
Uzoqalekiseka ngendlela abaqalekiseka ngayo.
You will experience poverty just like them.
Nenhlupheko uzobhekana nayo ngendlela nabo ababhekana ngayo.
Because izenzo zakho zifana nezabo. And now check utrace ifile labo bonke bahlulekile. Finish.
And he went